Hi, I'm Frank, sales coordinator here at Dry Guys Basement Systems in Woodstown, New Jersey. Today we're going to talk about the 3 red flags to look out for when hiring a contractor. So when you hire a contractor for foundation repair and basement waterproofing, it's important to put them through a vetting process. This will prevent you from hiring someone who doesn't know what they're doing or might be doing shady business. The 3 red flags to look out for with contractors are the following. Number 1, door-to-door salesman. Good contractors don't need to beg for work. They have plenty of work because people like them. These door-to-door salesmen often use high-pressure sales tactics, which is another red flag because they want you to make an impulse decision, which means they don't have your best interest in mind. Also, look out for people who don't put anything down in writing. This is a huge problem if you don't have a written contract or agreement. The second red flag to look for is a contractor that wants all the money up front. A good contractor will probably ask you for a percentage of the final cost up front, maybe 50%, which is fair. But if they want all the money up front, that's not a good sign. That can give them the opportunity to disappear with all your money and never be heard from again. And they might not even finish or even start your work. If you have other bids, they should all be around the same price. If someone's giving you an extremely low price, they might just be trying to get you to hire them, only to be hit with surprise bills later on. Other times, a low bid could be a sign of inexperience or bad quality. A lot of our customers originally went with the guy that was too good to be true, and then called us a few months later when they realized their mistake. We have to go out and fix what the other guy messed up, and the homeowner is forced to pay twice. So if something sounds too good to be true, run away from it.